Ever been hit with the craving for some instant hot Thai food? Today we're making a super simple and quick Thai tuna curry. This is so delicious with some steamed white rice. You've just got to try this easy recipe. You will need a can of coconut milk, that's 400 ml of coconut milk, and a can of tuna. So I'm using 1 can of flaked tuna in sunflower oil. You also need some fresh Thai ingredients that give that special authentic flavor to the Thai curry, like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. So we need 1 stalk of lemongrass, and we're only going to need the tender inner stalk portion. So that's the thicker stalk portion here. We're just going to pound that and then remove the thicker outer layers to reveal the tender inner stalk portion you see here. Next, we're going to slice this on a diagonal so you get some thin slices of lemongrass. We also have about a 3-inch piece of galangal, and we're going to slice this into 5 or 6 pieces. Galangal is a subtle mustard-scented rhizome similar to ginger. Next, we have 1 kaffir lime leaf. I've just cut it into 2 pieces and removed that mid-vein. You will also need 1 chicken bouillon cube or 1 chicken stock cube, as well as 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried red chili paste. Now, I do have a video on how to make homemade dry red chili paste. I'll link to that in the description, or you can use any store-bought dried red chili paste. So to cook the Thai tuna curry, we're going to use a small saucepan, and I'm just going to add in the canned coconut milk. I'm going to rinse out the can with about half a cup of water and add that as well. You can always add more water if you like later. Bring this to a simmer. And now we can add the freshly chopped ingredients. In goes the lemongrass, the slices of galangal, as well as the kaffir lime leaf. So now we just need to simmer this, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for a while. And at this stage you really need to be careful, adjust the heat, don't step away, because as the coconut milk boils up, it can and will boil over if you're not careful. Adjust the heat accordingly, stir occasionally, and when the coconut milk bubbles up, covering the saucepan with your ladle prevents it from boiling over, but you do need to reduce the heat as it bubbles up like this. So I've reduced the heat and we're continuing to simmer. Now at this stage we can add our dried red chili paste. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons as I mentioned. You can also add more if you like. So just stir that through. And we're also going to add in that chicken stock cube, just crumble it in. So the chicken stock cube is already salty, so we don't need to add too much extra salt. You can always add a little bit later after tasting. We're going to add a pinch of turmeric powder just to boost the color. So I've reduced the heat again once it bubbled up and stirred again. So we continue to do this till the curry thickens a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to drain that can of tuna. Just press the lid to remove all that extra oil, and then we're going to add in the tuna flakes. I'm also adding a little bit more chili paste in here because I like the flavor. Give it a stir, give it a taste, and we can add a little bit of extra salt if needed. So we're just going to simmer the curry a bit longer until you get this nice creamy, slightly thickened consistency. You can do that to your own preference. And once it's thickened and deliciously creamy like this, you can add just a little bit of fresh cilantro over the top. So go ahead, serve this with some cooked hot Thai jasmine rice, and you've made yourself an instant Thai meal. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!